If you want to start a business in the food industry, then milk industry, which is dairy, is the one that you should have a close look on. Here are the top 3 reasons. Number one, India is the biggest market of dairy in the world. 75% of market is still unorganized. Quality milk, ghee, dahi, butter is the requirement for any Indian household. Hi, my name is Amardeep Singh Chadda and I am director at Chadda Sales Private Limited and I am a dairy entrepreneurship expert. If you are really serious about starting a business, then I have something special for you and it has helped more than 150 plus dairy entrepreneurs to have a highly successful and profitable dairy business. Want to know more about it? Just click on the link below and check it out.